Here's the puppies. They are sleeping. I'm going to show how I have opened up the other side. This is now the training pen over there for potty training. We have newspaper. And I did that Sunday. So many of them are already going potty over there. Some are still going over here. And then I move them over when I see them to the paper. So that's what we'll be working on. Everybody's snoozing. That is navy blue underneath there, under the pig rail over there. And over here is everybody. That's light blue, orange, turquoise little girl, that's over here, red male, purple girl, green, black, not sure who's underneath. Oh, that has to be royal blue under there. Over here it's red female and blue, one of the reds, darker red. Oh, you know what? Can't see on this camera very well again. This is royal blue. So that, it must be black under there. There's royal blue. They are so cute. Oh, she was having a dream. Green. Oh, it's royal blue. Having a little dream. Okay. I'll get them when they're active. Up and going. Nap time now. Alright.